Hey guys, Young here. So today I'm going to share with you guys this amazing lobang which I feel has huge upside potential, and I always felt that it has huge upside potential, and it's always an opportunity to enter it whenever it's at this low price. Now personally I feel it's low because it has not reached higher yet. Now this stock is the pitch that we are looking at, right? It's Facebook. Why Facebook? Now let me take you guys to a quick overview on the financials, right? So Facebook itself you have seen a positive increase, a consistent increase in revenue over the past 10 years. This suggests that a stronger demand for Facebook marketers and advertisers are actually using Facebook platform, to actually generate a lot of revenue for themselves, and hence they're actually using a lot on Facebook, and that's why the demand is increasing dramatically. You can also see that the gross profit margin has been increasing over the past 10 years and maintained around 80%. Despite 2017, they actually have the Facebook Cambridge Analytica, and then there's the increase in 50% manpower that is supposedly going to decrease number of the total revenue, because when you increase more people you have to pay more wages, right? Those are costs. So when this happened, Facebook's gross profit margin should decline, but it's actually maintained at around 80%, with net income increasing over the past 10 years. So it's actually very, very positive, very, very good. And on top of it, we have shares actually increasing. Now, if your share increase and your earnings per share increase, right, this is really, really very bullish for the company. Means they're actually having organic earnings from the company. Very good, very solid. I love it, and this is one thing I always look at, because if you think about it, earnings per share and number of shares increase. Now that if you're a more technical guy, you're more into maths and all, you will actually go explore and you see the ratio and everything. If number of shares increase and earnings per share increase, it's a very, very good sign for the company, right? Now we take a look at the earnings, the return of equity. You have seen it. It has been steady since the past 10 years. Alright, it actually declined after it come back to the past 10 years. The point at past 10 years, which is quite good. I think it's a good thing. But I want to highlight this thing whereby the return of asset has doubled since 2010. This is actually very, very fantastic. Now we look at growth tab, we can see the lowest growth that Morningstar can tabulate is just 40.45, meaning to say that the EPS, earnings per share, has been increasing around 40% if we are being very, very conservative based on Morningstar's estimate. Now, if we took a look at the financial health, we can see that the Facebook has no more debt. Alright, they're no longer using debt to fund anything. All is based on their cash, how much they have and all. So it's all very good. You can see the accounts. You can see the cash and short-term investment. This is actually declining, so means they're probably doing more investment over the past few years, and none of it is actually using any of this debt, which is very, very positive. All right. Now, when we take a look at the top 6 shareholders of Facebook, we can see that the first one obviously is Mark Zuckerberg. Second one is Dustin. After that, followed by all this, and then Sheryl Sandberg, which is COO, actually comes in 4th in place, right? So that explains why Mark Zuckerberg is always the one going to those Senate meetings and all to testify before the Senate and everything. So that's the reason why, because he owns the most number of shares, and he has the most voting, around 53.3% voting rights in the company. All right. Now, if we take a look at the earnings of Facebook, where you can see overall, only recently they start to miss their revenue, but other than that, for over the past few years, everything has been solid. You see all green, which is good thing, positive thing. And if you come back down from March 2018, just March 2018, you can see that daily active user rose 13% for March. Monthly active user also rose 13%. Then ads revenue grew $11.795 billion, which is almost doubled from 1 year ago. Mobile ads revenue makes 91%, whereas the 1 year ago was 85%. Then if we go back to second quarter of 2018, we can see that again revenue growth of 33% is widely expected, but it marks the slowest. 33% is actually the slowest already. Alright, daily active user came in up 9% year over year. Monthly active user is up 10%. Also that Mobile advertising is 92% versus 88%, which is 1 year ago. Now, if you take a look at the most recent one, which is Q3, so you can see that revenue hits 13.323 billion versus 9.32 billion. Again, it's impressive. Everything is beating. Mobile ads revenue make up 91%, up from 87% a year ago. Everything is increasing. Incomes from operation grows 33%. Now, if you tell me that Facebook is not doing well, I will not believe you. Facebook, in fact, these are things that usually investors look out for: daily active user, mobile ads, revenue, and normal ads revenue. Everything are just the fundamental, the core business model of Facebook itself. So now, if you take a look at the charts, you can see that I actually draw a short-term support line, a resistance line. Actually, it's barred as a resistance line, but it actually supported here once, support second time, become a resistance one time, resistance two time, resistance three time, and it break past this resistance already. Now, if you don't believe me, you can actually draw this line further backwards, right? You can actually, let me just make it straight. You can see how strong this line is, all right? It has resisted so many times here, again over here, supported here, supported here, supported here. And once it break past, this here is actually a gap up towards, from this point here, it gap up all the way here towards this resistance line. And again, it started to rally higher from it. Then you see, actually down here is all the support, break, support, resistance. So right now, we can see that Facebook has already broken past from this major support / resistance line. So I feel that there's more upside ahead. But then again, let's take a look at the moving averages. Now we take a look at all three moving averages, which is 9 days, 50 days, and 200 days moving average. You can see that Facebook's actually is actually above all of these moving averages, which suggests a slightly more of a, I'm more inclined towards saying that Facebook is in a bullish trend. All right, so I guess that's pretty much a quick analysis on Facebook. I like Facebook and I own Facebook. And just a huge disclaimer is that I've been building up my positions on Facebook over the past few months. And if it comes down, I'll be probably buying more. But I like Facebook a lot and I'll probably buy more. Alright, so once again, this is Yongik. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.